everybody, I'm back again today with another look for you. This is a more summery look because I'm wearing a very sheer dress. Everything that I'm wearing will be credited in the description below. I don't even know where I got this dress, to be honest. I think I bought it secondhand. The bra is just my bra and the bottoms are from Amazon. They're just little swim bottoms. I like to wear these high-waisted bottoms underneath sheer stuff. Just because they cover my stomach. I don't really love having my stomach showing, but also when I'm wearing something sheer, I feel like wearing high-waisted bottoms just makes it look more like an outfit and less like a swimsuit. This is a vintage belt. It's like a gold lame and it has black velvet. I love this thing. I know that it's really big in the goth world to wear silver with everything, but I actually love black. Nope, not black. I do love black, but I love gold. I love gold with my black. I do wear silver also, but there's just something about gold to me that just, I don't know, feels a little extra sassy. So with these big shapeless dresses, I like to put a little belt on there. And then I'm going to sparkle this up today, so I'm putting on a couple of my fancy rings. I don't like to wear a ton of rings. I know sometimes people wear lots of them, but I don't like to wear a ton of them. I don't know why I pulled that ring up and put it back down, but there you have it. And then this is just another ring. Sometimes when I'm putting rings on, I like figure out which fingers they fit on as I'm filming the video. And then my hand is blue from my hair. Whoops. This is what happens when you have blue hair and lotion on your hands. I guess I lied about not wearing a lot of rings in this one. I guess I am wearing a lot of rings in this one. I don't usually wear more than maybe 2 or 3. These are my big star earrings. I just like these earrings with this dress because the dress has black stars on it. The stars on this dress are actually flocked velvet. They're velvet stars, so it's just a really cool texture. I think this is a great outfit to wear in the summer when you're hot and you don't want to be super covered with stuff, but you also want to, I don't know, be cute and sassy. This is the kind of stuff I'm starting to find I'm more into as I'm aging. The stuff that is still kind of unique and cool, but also not super, doesn't show a super ton of skin. I'm not super, man, how many times can I say super? I'm not really into showing a lot of skin much anymore. This is a necklace that my friend Amanda gave me. I love it. It kind of looks like an astrological something or other. It's got like little stars and swirls, but it kind of goes with my gold motif, and it has a tiny clasp. So this is why it's taking me forever to get it on my neck. But I get there, I promise. Look at me go. And then of course I'm touching my hair again, which is going to make my hand more blue all over again. What do you guys think about my curly hair? I'm kind of on the fence of whether I like my hair to be straight, slightly wavy, or this like kind of crimpy curl. I got this waver doodad and this is the curls that it gives me, so I don't know. You guys tell me what you think. Here's another necklace. I like to layer, especially when I'm wearing gold. I feel like when you're wearing gold jewelry, like more is more for some reason. When I wear silver jewelry, I tend to just like not wear as many pieces, but when I wear gold, I don't know, it feels wrong if I'm not wearing a ton of pieces. And here are my boots. The other thing I'm starting to do more is wear boots with dresses. I used to only wear like flats or sandals or heels with dresses, but I'm just kind of digging, I don't know, the way that boots look. Although going into summer, wearing boots can be a little hot and a little uncomfortable, but I'm just feeling this style. So there's my booty. Ooh, I forgot to cut the tag out of the dress. You can see it through there. Pay no attention to the tag behind the curtain. Anyways, I hope you guys like this. Please let me know what other kind of style videos you want to see. And thank you for watching. And follow me on my other socials. I'm at TheCherryDollface everywhere. Okay, have a great day, everybody. See you later.